Hey guys, Vern, jack of all trades here, and I have with me,
Mohsen?
and believe it or not, he just pretty much changed his starter. Car wasn't starting. He had to leave it parking lot overnight, but did a fantastic job. I pretty much supervised. I didn't do much work.
He helped me a lot. And also, he's very patient, and that patience helps me a lot.
Appreciate that.
So this is the part.
Yep, that's the whole part.
Yeah, we picked up, and then we changed it together at the HEB.
At HEB, guys.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Thank you so much.
no problem. It was great working with you. I hope that in the future,
Yes.
you see somebody that needs something, you give them a
Yeah.
hand. I know you will, and I absolutely will.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you so
All
much.
right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, job well done. Now we are friends.
Yeah.
All right.